Hello everyone, welcome to Students Paradise. Today we are going to begin the discussion of the future tense. Okay, we have already completed the discussions of present tense and past tense. Whosoever is new to my channel, they can visit the playlist. I have provided the links of the videos in the description. Okay, so now let us begin our discussion about the future tense. Okay, just like present tense and past tense, future tense has also four parts. Those are simple future or future indefinite, future continuous, future perfect and future perfect continuous. So today we will discuss about the simple future or future indefinite tense. Okay, so simple future or future indefinite. By name itself, you can recognize that this tense talks about something that happens in future. Okay, so generally we use will, shall and going to talk about future. Now we will discuss how and where to use will, shall and going to. Okay, students, shall and will, they are used with the verbs to express the simple future tense. But shall is not used in general in modern English. Students, generally we use shall and will before a main verb. Okay, nowadays shall is used to ask questions, to offer something or to suggest something. Okay, for example, shall I carry the bag for you? See, in this case, I am offering help to someone. So, shall I carry the bag for you? Here I have used shall to indicate or to ask a question regarding an offering. Okay, same way, see, shall we go for a long drive? That means I am suggesting someone to go for a long drive. Okay. So the first question is regarding offering and the second question is regarding suggestion. Okay. In this way nowadays we use shall. Okay. Now let us discuss where to use will. Okay. Students, will is generally used to express an action that will take place in the future. For example, they will follow the footsteps of their parents. See, in this case, the future action is to follow. They will follow the footsteps of their parents. So, following the footsteps of their parents is a future action. So, we have used will. Will is also used to express an intended or planned action. For example, I will pick up you after your school. Okay, see, picking up you after your school is a planned action or an intended action. So that is why we have used will to express an action, but that action is planned or intended. So this is also a future action, but see, we are just discussing how to recognize where to use will. Okay, that's it. So it's a future action, but it is also planned and intended. So I will pick up you after your school. Fine. Will is also used to decide something at the time of speaking. What does it mean? You need to understand that I am speaking something and suddenly I have decided something to do. Okay, that action is in future. For example, I'll have a glass of water. See, you need to understand that having a glass of water is an action in future. For example, I am giving you lecture now and suddenly I feel that I should have a glass of water. So I can say I will have a glass of water. So this is the decision which I make while I am speaking something. Okay. So I should use will in that case. Okay. Will is also used to express the views of the speaker. That means what the speaker thinks or what the mind of the speaker is suggesting himself. So those are the views of the speaker. For example, I will consult a doctor for my eye problem. See, in this case, consulting a doctor for eye problem is the views that the speaker, in this case the subject is I. So, I will consult a doctor for my eye problem, that is my view. I am thinking about it, that I have some eye problem and I should consult a doctor. So I am saying that I will consult a doctor for my eye problem. This is my view. So in this case, will is also used. Okay. So this is also a future action. This action has not been happened yet. This will happen in future. So I am thinking about it. This is my view that I should consult a doctor. So I will consult a doctor for my eye problem. Okay. Will is also used to request someone to do something for you. Okay. For example, will you give me your pen, please? This is a request. So we have used please at the end and we have put comma before please. So this should be the format of the interrogative sentence. So will you give me your pen, please? So whenever we request someone to do something for us, in that case we should use will in this way. Okay. Students, will is also used to promise someone something. Okay. For example, I will bring a bat for you. See, bringing a bat for you. So in this case, this is nothing but a promise. So I will bring a bat for you. That means I promise that I am going to bring a bat for you. I will bring a bat for you. I will make the project for you. So these all are promises that I give to someone. So in that case, we need to use will. Okay. Now let us discuss the important part of the simple future tense, that is the formation of the tense. Okay. So formation goes like this: subject plus will or shall plus verb, that is in the V1 form. V1 form. For example, he will watch the movie. Subject will main verb. This is the V1 form, or we can say it is the root of the verb. So in this way we should form the tense. And as we have already discussed in present tense and past tense, future tense has also three forms of the sentence, that is affirmative, negative and interrogative. For example, he will watch the movie, it is in affirmative form. When we convert it into its negative form, we need to put not after will. So he will not watch the movie is the negative form of the sentence, he will watch the movie. And to form the interrogative sentence, we need to bring will at front. Will he watch the movie? So here we go. We have formed the interrogative sentence of the sentence he will watch the movie. So this is the affirmative form, negative form and interrogative form. So this is how the different kind of sentences are formed in case of simple future or future indefinite tense. Okay. Students, let us now discuss about the uses of going to. Okay. Going to is used to suggest an intention or decision that is made to do something in future. For example, I am going to shift to Mumbai. In this case, shifting to Mumbai is my decision that I have made, but I have not shifted to Mumbai yet. I will shift to Mumbai in future. So this is a decision that is made by me now, but the action will take place in future. So I can represent that action by using going to. I am going to shift to Mumbai. This shows my decision to shift to Mumbai. Okay. They are going to create history. See, so in this sentence they are going to create history. Creating history is not a joke. Okay, you can put your name in the history by doing something great. So the intentions should be that much strong. They are that much strongly intended to do something so that they will be remembered forever. Okay, so they are going to create history. That means they are that much intended to create history. This sentence shows the intention of them. So here creating history is the intention, and we have used going to show the intention that they are going to create history. Okay, so in this way we use going to. Students, today we have discussed about simple future or future indefinite tense. Hope you have understood everything clearly. If not, please watch the video again. I know you will be able to understand the basic concepts or the formation of the simple future tense. If not, please mail me your doubts on the mail ID that is given on your screen. I will definitely reply you. Okay? Whosoever is new to my channel, please subscribe my channel and press the notification bell so that you will be notified whenever I upload a new video. Now students, what to do next? You just need to go through the exercises those are given in your book and try to solve them by yourselves. If you find anything difficult, just let me know. I'll help you for sure. Okay? So keep practicing, keep learning new things, revise everything that you have learned. Okay? And most importantly, just enjoy your life. Keep smiling.